Hello everyone, welcome to Social Science class, chapter number 5, Continents and Oceans. It's for class 5th, part 9. In previous part you have completed 4th continent, South America. And today's topic is here, 5th one, Antarctica. Means it is the 5th largest planet. It is the 5th largest continent, not planet, continent. 5th largest continent is the Antarctica. Okay, A-N-T-A-R. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A. Antarctica. And it is surrounded by some oceans. Okay, it is surrounded by some oceans are there that. So that oceans are Indian Ocean, see the Indian, the Atlantic and the Pacific oceans. Is it surrounded by three sides? These three oceans. And next one you can see, so it lies, where it lies within the Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle. So it lies South Pole in the center. Okay, and it covered by permanent ice. So it makes here, it is the coldest continent. It is a coldest continent in the world, right? Okay, and some it is humans are not life existing here. Some wildlife are there here. That wildlife are penguins, seals, whales and albatross. So once again I am writing here. Albatross. See student, Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. It's surrounded by oceans, three sides oceans. So first ocean is there here, the Indian Ocean, and second one the Atlantic Ocean, and third one is the Pacific Ocean. These three oceans are covered by in three sides of this continent, and it lies within the Antarctica Circle. You know that, and before I explained here, it is the Earth, it is North Pole and it is the South Pole. Here located Arctic Circle and here located Antarctic Circle. Antarctica Circle. So Antarctica Circle, it lies center, correct center on the South Pole. And see here student, it covers by ice, it covered by snow and also ice, thick ice. Okay. So whole year we are seeing here cold, here weather is very cold, okay, because here sun rays are not passing in this part, Arctic circle and Antarctica circle, the sun rays are not passing, okay. So here climate is very cold and it is we are also calling here frigid zone. Frigid means what? Cold. Here areas weather is here cold. And also here it is the coldest continent in the world. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. So here life is not exist. So some animals are exist here. So that animals are there here. Penguins, seals, whales and albatross. These wild animals are so living in the Antarctica continent. It is about 5th continent, Antarctica. And next you can see here student, 6th continent. Now I am explaining about that. Sixth continent is there, Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent. It is the 6th largest continent and it is the industrialized continent in the world. It is the industrialized continent in the world. And also see here some important countries are there here. The United Kingdom, Germany, France. So these are the important countries situated here. So Europe is known as, it is known as peninsula because two reasons are there here. So first reason, several peninsulas like peninsulas like the Scandinavian, Balkan and Italian peninsulas are situated here. Italian peninsula situated here. So it is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean on the north and the Atlantic Ocean on the west and the Mediterranean Ocean south. Mediterranean Ocean means actually it is a sea, Mediterranean Sea, it is in south. So it is about Europe continent. Europe continent is the 6th largest continent in the world and it is also, Europe is also, it is a famous for industrialization, it is a famous for trade center. Okay. So it is a famous for industrialized continent and also some famous countries are there here, United Kingdom, Germany and France. These are the important countries in this continent. And next it is also known as peninsula. Peninsula means what? three sides river means oceans, three sides water and one side land. It is known as peninsula. So it is also known as peninsula. See here, because two regions are there here, several peninsulas, some like that, Scandinavian, Balkan and Italian. Okay, so these peninsulas are situated in the Europe continent, and some Arctic Ocean situated on the north, Atlantic Ocean situated on the west, and the Mediterranean Sea it is situated on south of Europe continent. So it is the sixth continent is over, and let us see now seventh continent is Australia. About seventh continent. Seventh continent. So it is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It is the smallest continent, and it is also mainland of Australia. Some New Zealand, some innumerable small islands also located here. Small islands also situated here, and some these islands collectively known as Oceania. And the Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef. So it is located on northeastern coast. Northeastern coast. And also see here, it is a famous for coral reef. Means see here, Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak. It is the highest peak in this continent. Okay, student. Last continent is the Australia. Australia is the seventh continent. It is the smallest continent also. And some New Zealand, some places are there here in this continent. And innumerable, uncountable islands also situated here, small islands situated here. So that small islands, these small islands is known as Oceania. And next, some Great Barrier Reef is also situated in northeastern coast of area in Australia. And Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak in the Australia continent. Mount Kosciuszko. So this like 7 continents are completed, students here. So you do it study well in these all continents about in detail. Okay. But here in today's class 7 continents are completed here. Also part 9 is completed. And next part about oceans we are studying in next class. So next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.